I am waiting for the verification code now. I log into the system with the verification code that comes after I enter my phone number. These are the slides explaining how to use the app. To use the application, it is necessary to allow location sharing. Before using the application, let's examine the Help section in the menu. This section contains frequently asked questions, legal information, and Contact Us. In the Contact Us section, you can directly call the customer service and send your thoughts. Okay, I select the type of taxi I want to call and press the Send Taxi button to call a taxi to my location. Then I wait for a short while to determine the suitable taxi. Okay, now the taxi is determined and I can follow the taxi that will come to me on the screen. If I want to cancel the ride at this stage, I can press the cancel button and state the reason to end the taxi call process. As soon as the journey starts, I can follow the driving route on the screen. After the trip is over, I rate the driver and trip and I'm redirected to the home page.